In this video we're going to show you how to use Creaform.OS Viewer. So once it's installed you can double click on Creaform OS and this will launch the viewer software. And straight off the bat you could import a mesh, so you could just jump in and browse for that STL file or mesh file, set the types to all supported types, and just bring in an STL file. So let's just have a look at that. And bring in the STL. Okay, so the STL file has come in and we can just look at it. So if you want to learn how to navigate, you can click on the mouse controls here and it will show you how to move around. Okay, so after you've imported that mesh, and let's say you wanted to open a session file, so we can open up inspection files. So you just go to open session, and I'll just try and continue on that. Yep. And let's now jump into an inspection file. So an inspection file will have not only I guess your STL file, but it would also have all the measurements that whoever designed it had created. So the only thing you can really do is double click on the images that were created, and they are these lines where there's no eye next to it. So I can double click on color map and then I can have a look at that. So I can do things like close off those annotations if I want to. I can add my own deviation notes if I've got specific areas of interest that I want to inspect, and I can turn on and off the color map grid. So that allows me to zoom in and really see real-time kind of feedback from the color map. So I'll do that again on another image, zoom in, and I can just spin that around. You can fit the viewer to the window just to make it a little bit bigger. You can turn off the grid and again add callouts, etc. So if anyone ever gives you a file like this, you can double click on each image and add those. So again, close off any entities and then add your own callouts. And if we just bring open one more, we can also do entity annotation. So I can just click on that and figure out that that's plane A, click on cone B, and then datum C. So hopefully that's that helps you get started with the viewer, and thanks for watching.